Welcome to RadicalWellnessTV.com. This is Laura Lee, and I'm here to speak with you about 8 steps to cleanse and nourish your body to get your health back. There's a foundation to this program, and I'll explain what the foundation is. Your health is a decision away. If you're not feeling very well, you can make a decision to change that. All you need to do is be willing to change and willing to learn. And you can move ahead and take about 3 months, and you will see one change or the other, whichever. If you're not satisfied, just continue on the road. But 3 months is usually a good time to be able to determine if natural healing is working for you. So get ready to buckle up your sleeves and get to work on yourself with unconditional love. You learn unconditional love first because we're living in an unconditional loving society here in the United States of America in 2018. So when you make that decision, the next thing to know is what is your starting point? How sick are you? There are 3 levels of how sick you are, which will be explained in another video. Learn to recognize your body's signals. It's like a warning light on the dashboard. You know, you want to pay attention to those things. You don't want to just take an aspirin or any other chemical or just blow it off like it's nothing, because it will build. Your body's trying to talk to you. So learn to recognize those signals. And then be willing to spend as much money on your health as needed. There are different levels to health as far as being sick and how well you want to be and goals around that. And there's also different levels of how much money it will take. Because basically natural healing is food, whole food, and weeds. So that's pretty cheap, but you got to go out and get it yourself. You know, team up with someone who cares about you, because your loved ones have a vested interest, and people who care for you have a vested interest in your health, because the best thing you can do for your health, for your loved ones, is to take care of your health. Otherwise, they'll be dealing with a sick you or a dead you, and that's what they don't want, that's for sure, because they love you. And then that's teaming up with them. So just help them help you help yourself. Commit to a minimum of 3 months, because the blood changes out every 3 months, so that's a good starting point. You have at least clean blood. And you have clean blood, you're going to feel way better, because to get to clean blood, you got to have a clean colon, a clean liver, clean kidneys, and clean skin. Clean food, clean air, clean water, clean attitude. So what is clean? We'll see. Well, I'll be explaining to you in the webinar. Cleanse and detox all your elimination channels. You want to open them up. So then you're ahead of the toxins that are coming in, because we are overwhelmed with toxins right now in our food, our water, our air. Everything is covered right now. And if we don't keep ahead of that ball coming in, our immune system can't keep up. And if you can't keep up, you're going to get the results of feeling sick, punky, irritable, depressed, overweight, lack of energy, all sorts of things, because your immune system just can't keep up. So take taxation off of your immune system by starting in your liver. How's that? No, we always start in the colon, but if you're in trouble, well, everybody's liver is compromised on this planet, so we all have to work with the liver. So what we do in the next program, the next section of this webinar, is we're going to be working on detoxing. The kidneys, the liver, the bowel is what we start out with, and the skin, and then the blood. And then teach you how to be able to cleanse once a season, because we are so overexposed with toxins in our environment in America in 2018. It's cleaning up because we are waking up, but in the meantime, it's very hard to be organic in such an environment. But we can do it. I have full confidence that we can, and as a natural health facilitator and a nutritional herbalist and a myotherapist, I am here to help you help yourself. So go ahead and look at the next step on this video. That's the 8 steps for the foundation, and next we're going to be moving into your levels of health. Love life, and life will love you back. Bye-bye for now.